Hello, grateful learners. Welcome to Science 4. I am your teacher, Teacher Ludette. How are you today? I hope you're feeling fine. Because today is an amazing day to learn new things. Are you excited for today's lesson? We will explore magnets. Please ready your pen, paper, and your self-learning modules. We will find out the properties and characteristics of magnets and the characteristics of magnetic force. Before we dive into our lesson about magnets, let us recall the previous lesson. Unscramble the letters of the words being described.
For our first word, this is a push or pull applied on an object. And the answer is force. For our second word, this happens when you move objects towards you. Is your answer pull? Then you got it right. For our third word, this happens when you bring objects away from you. Is your answer push? That is correct. For our fourth word, it is a force that opposes or counteracts. Our word is friction. For our fifth and final word, this is a force exerted by magnets. Is your answer magnetism? That's correct. Good job!
In the previous lesson, we have learned the different types of force. One of those is magnetism or magnetic force. It is the force exerted by magnets. Let us have a short activity. Tell whether the objects will be attracted to the magnets or not.
For this activity, we will need the following materials: face mask, paper clips, glass, magnets, coins, pencil, and thumbtacks. Reminders: before we begin the activity, always remember to handle sharp and fragile objects with care. For this activity, we will observe what will happen to the different materials when magnet comes in contact with it. What will happen to the face mask when the magnet is placed over it? Let us observe. Nothing. The magnet has no effect on the face mask. What will happen to the paper clip when the magnet is placed near it? The paper clips attached itself to the magnet. What will happen to the pencil when it touched the magnet? Nothing. The magnet has no effect on the pencil. What will happen to the thumbtacks when the magnet is placed near it? Let us observe. The thumbtacks attached itself to the magnet. How about the coins? Let us observe. The coins are now sticking to the magnet. How about the glass? The magnet produced no effect on the glass. What have you observed in our short activity? We have observed that some materials are attracted to the magnet and some are not. What materials are attracted to the magnet? The materials attracted to the magnet are paper clips, thumbtacks, and coins. What are they made of? They are made of metals. What materials are not attracted to magnet? The materials not attracted to the magnet are face mask, pencil, and glass. What are they made of? They are made of cloth, wood, and glass.
A magnet is a material that may be a rock or metal that can pull certain types of materials towards itself. Magnets come in different shapes and sizes. The most common are bar magnets, horseshoe magnets, and ring magnets. Magnets attract materials made of metal like iron, nickel, and cobalt. Materials that are non-metal are not attracted to magnets like glass, paper, or wood. Iron is the most commonly known magnetic substance. Most steel are magnetic because they contain iron. Steel is not magnetic without adding iron into it. Iron can be found in stoves, spoons, forks, and knives. Nickel is a silvery white metal used to make belt buckles, bracelets, coins, and cell phones. Cobalt is widely used in batteries and in electroplating. A metal-plated object like belt buckles, buttons, and zippers has cobalt. A magnet has two poles where the magnetic force is strongest. One end of the magnet is the North Pole and the other end the South Pole. Have you heard of the saying, opposite poles attract? This saying is originally used to describe magnets because the opposite poles of the magnets attract each other. The North Pole attracts the South Pole and the South Pole attracts the North Pole. As you see here in the video, when placed near each other, unlike poles of two magnets attract each other.
Attract means to pull or draw towards oneself.
While like poles repel or push each other.
Repel means to push back or away by force.
Every magnet produces an invisible area of influence around itself. When things made of metal or other magnets come close to this region of space, they feel a pull or push from the magnet. Scientists call these invisible influences as magnetic field. The curved lines represent the invisible magnetic field of a magnet. The closer to the magnet, the greater the magnetic force. The farther any magnetic object to a magnet, the weaker the magnetic force. Did you know that Earth behaves like a giant magnet because of its molten iron found in its core? This is the Earth. This is the Earth's geographical North Pole. And this is the Earth's geographical South Pole. The geographical North Pole is also called magnetic South Pole, and the geographical South Pole is called the magnetic North Pole. Magnets play a very important role in our lives. Because of their magnetic qualities, magnets are used in many ways. They are used in industries, devices, home appliances, health and medicine, food, and grazing animals.
Remember, a magnet has two poles, the North Pole and the South Pole. Magnets are attracted to metals mainly made of iron, nickel, and cobalt. The magnetic force is strongest at its poles. The farther the magnetic object to the magnetic field, the weaker the magnetic pole.
Are you ready for an activity? Put a thumbs up if the following materials are attracted to magnets, and put a thumbs down if they are not attracted to magnets. Are you ready?
Number 1. Batteries. Number 2. Cardboard box. Number 3. Face shield. Number 4. Safety pin. And number 5. Screws. Let us check your answers. Number 1. Thumbs up. Batteries are attracted to magnets. Number 2. Thumbs down. Cardboard box is not attracted to magnets. Number 3. Thumbs down. Face shield is made of plastic. It is not attracted to magnets. Number 4. Thumbs up. A safety pin is made of iron. Number 5. Thumbs up. Screws are attracted to magnets. Did you get most of the answers correct? Good job! Predict what will happen to the magnets. Write attract if the magnets pull on each other and repel if they push each other back. South Pole to South Pole. And the answer is repel. North Pole to South Pole. And the answer is attract. South Pole to North Pole and North Pole to South Pole. And the answer is attract. South Pole to North Pole. And the answer is attract. North Pole to North Pole. And the answer is repel. For your assignment, read the sentences carefully. Write true if the statement is correct and write false if the statement is incorrect.
Did you enjoy the activity? If you want to test your knowledge more, take our quiz in KAHOOT. Click the link in the description below and enter the PIN 06715801. I'll be waiting for you. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson we had explored today. This is your science teacher, Teacher Ludette. See you again next time for another science exploration. Bye-bye!